So in my opinion, in my philosophy, okay, the road to forgiveness, the train that goes to forgiveness, before it reaches the station called forgiveness, it stops at another station that is called anger. The anger comes before forgiveness. You've got anger. And when I listen to your story about an alcoholic father and mother did not protect you, okay, I had very big anger. Rage is something not nice. Anger is something caring. I'm really angry. I'm actually furious with your father and especially with your mother. Okay? And you have the right to feel angry. And I tell you something, in my opinion, I might be wrong, some of us are not able to be angry enough. We are not angry enough. This is what I'm angry about, and next sentence is supposed to be, this is what I need